The summer heat is undeniably upon us, and with 2026's record-breaking spring temperatures, many data centers, large and small, are already experiencing early server thermal throttling. This isn't just about uncomfortable ambient temperatures. It's about an insidious, silent killer lurking within your server rack's stagnant heat pockets. These pockets, particularly prevalent in densely packed, cramped configurations, trigger a slow but ultimately catastrophic degradation of hardware components, long before a total system crash. Imagine your high-performance processors, sensitive memory modules, and crucial power supplies silently baking day after day, week after week. This insidious process leads to a significantly reduced lifespan for your expensive equipment, and, more immediately, to unpredictable failures that can bring your operations to a grinding halt. It's a threat that moves seamlessly from global weather trends directly into the specific physical blockages and environmental inefficiencies hidden inside the very heart of your server room. Our essential maintenance checklist, designed for proactive intervention rather than reactive panic, begins with a meticulous and preemptive auditing of these critical airflow paths and a thorough inspection of often overlooked, clogged intake filters. This proactive approach ensures that every critical component remains operational and performs optimally, even as seasonal temperatures peak and external thermal loads intensify. First, let's talk in detail about the crucial airflow audit. It's imperative to map your air intake paths with extreme precision and meticulous attention to detail. You need to ensure, without a shadow of a doubt, that cool air, the very lifeblood of your servers and the primary mechanism for heat dissipation, actually reaches the densest and most heat-intensive parts of each server rack. This isn't always as straightforward as simply assuming air will find its way. Often, overlooked obstructions at the front, or even the sides of racks can create insidious dead zones, where cool air struggles to penetrate, leading to localized overheating. Beyond simply mapping, it's vital to physically locate and meticulously clear any dust-caked intake filters. These filters, while absolutely essential for preventing harmful particulate matter from entering and damaging your sensitive electronic equipment, can become significant performance-sapping bottlenecks for your high-pressure cooling fans when neglected. A clogged filter severely restricts the volumetric airflow, forcing your powerful fans to work harder, consume more electrical energy, and ultimately drastically reduce their effectiveness in drawing in the vital cool air required for optimal operation. Following this, we then strategically shift our focus from the external air intake challenges to the internal obstacles that actively prevent hot air from efficiently and effectively leaving the server chassis. This critical examination inevitably brings us to a major and often underestimated culprit: inadequate cable management, or as it's colloquially known, the notorious cable spaghetti. This tangled, chaotic mess of power and data cables isn't just an unprofessional eyesore. It creates literal thermal dams. These dams effectively trap heat directly against your most critical components, the processors, memory modules, and power supplies, where efficient heat dissipation is paramount. It actively obstructs the exhaust vents, preventing hot air, which is lighter and naturally wants to rise, from being expelled efficiently from the system. To rectify this pervasive issue, a comprehensive reorganization of rear rack cabling is necessary. This involves using dedicated Velcro ties for bundling and meticulously implementing side routing techniques. The overarching goal is to create unobstructed pathways for the exhaust fans, allowing them to operate at their peak efficiency without battling through a dense, suffocating web of wires. This crucial move from addressing physical cable obstructions naturally transitions us to a focused examination of the mechanical health of the fans themselves, as these are the indispensable components solely responsible for moving all that air. Next, we meticulously address redundancy and conduct thorough mechanical stress tests. It's insufficient to simply have redundant fan units in place. You must actively and regularly inspect them. Pay extremely close attention to any fan bearings that are exhibiting signs of excessive vibration, emitting unusual noises, or visibly underperforming when compared to their healthy counterparts. Early detection of these subtle mechanical anomalies can be the difference between preventing a complete, system-crippling fan failure during critical operational periods and experiencing catastrophic downtime. Beyond purely physical inspection, it is absolutely crucial to leverage real-time IPMI, Intelligent Platform Management Interface sensor data. This powerful data allows you to verify that fan curves are scaling correctly and responsively in direct relation to the rising ambient room temperature. This granular data provides invaluable, actionable insights into precisely how well your cooling system as a whole is adapting to an increased thermal load, connecting the nuanced mechanical health of individual cooling units to the overall environmental stability and resilience of the entire server room is absolutely paramount for achieving holistic and robust thermal protection. Finally, we focus on the critical areas of environmental control and sophisticated monitoring. This involves the precise fine-tuning of your external AC thermostats and humidity sensors. The primary aim here is to actively prevent the formation of localized hotspots, particularly in the high-density corners of your server room, where equipment naturally generates the most significant amounts of heat. These localized hotspots can severely undermine the effectiveness of your otherwise well-designed overall cooling strategy, creating vulnerabilities. Crucially, it is absolutely essential to set up robust, automated alert thresholds using your state-of-the-art 2026 spec monitoring software. These sophisticated alerts should be meticulously configured to catch even the slightest thermal spikes before they escalate into a scenario that triggers a hard shutdown or causes irreparable damage to your critical hardware. Modern monitoring solutions are no longer just reactive. They are specifically designed to provide predictive analytics, giving you invaluable lead time to intervene proactively and decisively. By diligently following each step of this comprehensive checklist, implementing these best practices, and leveraging advanced monitoring technologies, you'll ensure your invaluable hardware not only survives the peak summer load, but thrives without experiencing a single minute of costly downtime, thereby maintaining optimal performance, maximizing the longevity of your critical infrastructure, and safeguarding your operational continuity.